Welcome to the top best. The best tripod cooking is probably one of the most versatile tools for outdoor cooking, offering a unique and engaging way to prepare meals over an open fire. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a backyard enthusiast, a cooking tripod can elevate your culinary experience. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and considerations of choosing the perfect tripod for your outdoor adventures. Number 5. Stansport 15997 Heavy-Duty Steel Cooking Tripod. This tripod features a robust three-leg design, ensuring stability on various terrains. It's built to withstand the demands of outdoor cooking, providing a reliable base for your culinary adventures. The nickel-plated chain and S-hook allow for easy adjustment of the cooking height. This feature provides flexibility when cooking over a fire, letting you control the heat exposure. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this product is built to last. The solid construction ensures it can handle the weight of Dutch ovens, coffee pots, and more. It's perfect for hanging Dutch ovens, teapots, and coffee pots over a cooking fire. Moreover, it can also be used to hang lanterns, water jugs, and even clothing. This product is lead-free and built for heavy-duty use. The nickel-plated chain with S-hook makes it easy to adjust the cooking height. This ensures a safe and enjoyable cooking experience. What we like. This tripod boasts a heavy-duty steel construction, ensuring durability for years of use. The adjustable chain allows for precise cooking height control. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tripod for all your campfire cooking needs, this is the one. It's perfect for hanging Dutch ovens, coffee pots, and even lanterns. What people say. It is well built and should last many lifetimes. I have used it with a Lodge 4-quart, Coleman 7.5-quart, and Lodge 10-quart Dutch ovens. Doesn't rust, very sturdy and durable. They did not use cheap materials on this tripod. Number 4. GOLDACE Camping Gear Set. This camping gear set, new in 2020, includes a hook chain and a 3-hole fixing plate. The hook is made of stainless steel and weighs about 148 grams. The chain is 46.45 inches long. The hook is made of stainless steel. The sturdy synthetic cowhide bag can protect it well. It's designed for outdoor use and built to last. The height of the hanging chain can be adjusted. It's perfect for use with Dutch ovens, coffee pots, and kettles. You can easily control the cooking temperature. The stove bracket is easy to assemble and disassemble. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. It's an essential tool for any outdoor adventure. This gear is suitable for various outdoor activities. You can use it by the seaside, lakeside, or in the forest. With just a few sticks, you can quickly build a fire pit. The product is easy to use. Please watch the video to learn how to use it. It is convenient and easy to use. What we like. This tripod is made of stainless steel, offering excellent durability and resistance to the elements. Its compact design and easy assembly make it a breeze to set up and take down. If you value portability and ease of use for your outdoor adventures, this tripod is an excellent choice. It's ideal for campers, hikers, and anyone who enjoys cooking over an open fire. What people say. This is a pretty good tripod pot or Dutch oven holder for camping. It's made very well and stands up to a good 20 pounds of weight like heavy cast iron, so I don't think you'll have to worry too much if you're using a large Dutch oven on it. As long as the stands support the weight, you're good to go. Well constructed. Quality metal and chains sturdy if you set up correctly. Number 3. Camping Tripod Grill Stand with Storage Bag. This camping tripod is perfect for outdoor activities. It's designed for barbecue, picnics, and even drying clothes. The grill height is adjustable up to 31.5 inches, ensuring your food cooks evenly. You can easily customize it to your needs. Featuring a 3-leg design, this stand provides maximum stability. It's built to withstand various outdoor conditions. Setting up is a breeze, and it conveniently folds into a compact size. This makes it easy to transport and store. Made from hard alumina with a 600D Oxford fabric carry bag, it's more eco-friendly and lightweight. It's built for long-lasting use. It can hold up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms, but 10 pounds 4.5 kilograms, or less is recommended. If you have any issues, please contact us. What we like. This mini tripod features adjustable height for even cooking and a sturdy 3-leg design for maximum stability. It's also lightweight and comes with a carry bag, making it easy to transport. If you have limited space or prefer a more compact cooking setup, this mini tripod is perfect for you. It's great for small groups or solo campers. What people say. He then took it and placed one of his camping pots onto the hook and placed it over the fire he had made in the backyard. He said the pot hung just right on top of the fire. He loves this tripod and said it works really well. Easy packing and assembly. Highly recommend for campers. Works great. I have used it with a pot and a grill, separately. Easy to adjust height to control cooking temp. Number 2. Sunnydaze 22-inch Fire Pit Tripod Cooking Grill. This tripod stands 55 inches tall and weighs only 7.4 pounds. The 22-inch grade is adjustable from 14 to 23 inches above the ground. It has a 20-pound weight capacity, making it perfect for various cooking needs. The tripod and grate are made from durable steel with a heat-resistant paint finish. This design ensures it can withstand high temperatures and is easy to clean after use. It's built to last through many outdoor cooking adventures. Assembly is minimal and straightforward. The legs connect with spring snap buttons, and then attach to the top piece. This makes it quick to set up and take down, so you can focus on cooking. This grilling set is a must-have for any outdoor gathering. Portable handles allow it to be used as a serving tray. It's designed to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Whether you're camping or enjoying a bonfire, this cooking set is convenient. It's ideal for outdoor chefs and adventurous food lovers. It is designed for hands-on, flame-based cooking to prepare real meals outdoors with ease and precision. What we like. This tripod features an adjustable height grate for precise cooking control. The heavy-duty design ensures it can handle a variety of cookware. If you are interested in hands-on, flame-based cooking to prepare real meals outdoors with ease and precision, you should consider this. It's perfect for backyard bonfires or camping trips. What people say. The functionality is great. Easy to reel up and down, and we are still using it today for hot dogs, toasting buns, steaks and more. We used it to cook chicken at the campsite. They were yummy. It is sturdy, held a dozen chicken legs and 4 good-sized things. Make sure to bring oven mitts, you will need them to hold the chain getting the chicken off. Easy cleanup, since we sprayed it with Pam before cooking. The setup was super simple, despite there being no directions. The 22-inch grate was big enough for 3 racks of baby back ribs. Number 1. Sutekus Camp Tripod with Lantern Hanger. This is a sturdy tripod designed for camping. It features a 3-leg design, ensuring stability on various terrains. Each leg has 3 sections, allowing you to adjust the height. The maximum height it can reach is 31.5 inches, providing flexibility for your cooking needs. It comes with a nickel-plated 15-inch chain and 4 S-hooks. This allows you to easily adjust the cooking height above the campfire. The tripod is perfect for hanging Dutch ovens and coffee pots. It's also great for lanterns, water jugs, and even clothing. It's easy to set up and take down. A carry pouch is included for convenient storage, with a storage size of 13 by 2.8 by 1.6 inches. This tripod can handle a load capacity of up to 11 pounds, making it suitable for various camping essentials. What we like. This tripod offers adjustable height to accommodate different cooking needs. It's also easy to set up and store, with a convenient carry pouch included. If you like a simple and reliable tripod for your campfire cooking, this is a great option. It's perfect for hanging Dutch ovens, coffee pots, and lanterns. What people say. Pot held nicely. Super easy to put together and love the pouch it comes in. Lightweight and very portable. Gets the job done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.